Every meticulous touch is a refinement of both imagination and craftsmanship. Every dazzling shine is a powerful fusion of technology and art. With fearless innovation, we let brilliance shine with new allure. We fear no challenge, illuminating every corner of the city with brilliance. Founded in 2005, Shenzhen Mingxue Optoelectronics Company Limited operates a sales and R&D center in Shenzhen and a manufacturing base in Foshan. We specialize in LED packaging and lighting applications, leading the industry in high-quality LED strips and linear lighting solutions. Our products, including the Lens Series, CSP Series, COB Series, High Voltage Series, Pro Series, Standard Series, Narrow Series, Dynamic Pixel Series, IP67 Series, Constant Current Series, and Free Cutting Series. Products are distributed across Europe, America, and Asia-Pacific region. Efficiency guaranteed. As a national high-tech enterprise honored with China's top 100 LED companies and specialized, refined, unique, and innovative titles, we own a 260,000 square feet factory with over 300 employees and over 100 units of advanced automated equipment. We have automated, semi-automated production equipments. Monthly production capacity reaches 6 million meters. We implement the 6S management model to optimize operations. We have industry-leading production and logistics systems that minimize time and costs for customers. Standard products can be delivered within 3 days, while customized solutions average 28 days and are tailored to specific client requirements. Quality guaranteed. During production, we rigorously implement comprehensive quality control processes, including IQC, IPQC, FQC, and OQC. The company maintains ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 certifications, with products certified to CE, RoHS, FCC, ERP, UL, CQC, LM80 standards, and so on. We distribute solutions to over 60 countries worldwide with consistently positive market reception. We have 20 years of mature R&D experience and laboratory with complete equipment to verify the reliability of products. Our laboratory is equipped with IES testing darkroom, programmable rain test chamber, swing tester, bending tester, pendulum impact tester, winding tester, twist tester, aging test chamber, and dozens of other standardized testing instruments. Integrity management, attentive service. We have established a professional team for sample making, pre-sales, and after-sales services, and provide 24/7 services including technical consultation and rapid response to ensure that any problems are resolved immediately. Innovation drives us to keep making progress. Through sustained growth, we are advancing toward a new era of corporate consolidation and refined management systems. By implementing MS systems and new production lines, we are transitioning to intelligent manufacturing. Through intensified R&D and brand promotion, we position Mingxue as a brand that is known for mastering customization, being committed to innovation, excelling in service, and leading in quality. We are committed to developing energy-efficient LED lighting solutions that help reduce electricity consumption, lower operational costs, and decrease global carbon emissions.
From the early days, when progress was difficult, to now having established a firm foothold in the industry, we are deeply grateful for the hard work and the wisdom of every team member and for the trust and the support of every client. We sincerely hope that we can work hand in hand with more like-minded partners in the future, build quality with ingenuity, win trust with responsibility, and jointly write a new chapter for Mingxue.
Every breakthrough embodies immense dedication and collective wisdom. Each achievement stems from enduring client support and trust. Going forward, we will deepen our expertise in LED technology while steadily enhancing product performance and expanding application boundaries. Empowering life with technology, fueling growth through innovation. We strive forward to become a globally leading LED enterprise. LED strip and more. Mingxue Lighting.